Hi Ramu, how are you?
I am good, Dad.
What about your job, is it going well?
Yes, Dad.
But my laptop is not working properly and there is no laptop service center nearest to my location and I don't have a time to go outside due to work in my office, so suggest me how can I repair my laptop at my location.
Don't worry my dear son.
I have a solution for your problem. There is app called WeFix where you can repair your laptop at your doorstep. The engineer will come to your location and repairs your laptop on demand.
Thank you, Dad, for suggesting WeFix app. I got best service from WeFix. So I strongly recommend that WeFix is the best Doorsteps service.
Download the WeFix app now.